Okay, so Jesse today got his Subaru XT started and decided to challenge me to try to get this running. Neither car has run well, since spring, so let's see if she'll fire. Had the charger on there for about 18 minutes, and the booster pack is about half charged. So with those two combined, she might crank over. When a car's been sitting for as long as this one has, you want to get some quick start on there. It really helps fire her up. There we go. That should do a lot better now. Oh. Is that on? That's on. Oh shit, I couldn't find my booster cable, so I just had to let it sit on charge. Let's see if she's charged up enough. Give her another hit of quick start there. Oh yeah. There we go. Jesse's not the only one with a vintage Subaru coupe that doesn't drive anywhere. She is a thing of beauty. Look at that wraparound Alcantara. So soft. But yeah, there you go. It doesn't even have a check engine light on. It has a brake warning light on because of a blown brake line, but that's minor, you know. Figure I'll let it run for a bit because this is probably the last time I'm going to start it this year.